The Goodman is running without the compressor. And as you know, this is a 2008 2-ton Goodman heat pump. Yeah, that's definitely running without the compressor. This thing's not that quiet. And as you can see, we got new mulch. Actually, this was all sodded in a month ago. Alright. Oh good, it's still running. Pretty iced up. Probably can't read, that's 13 SEER. And the Train XP10s. Doesn't look like, or it doesn't sound like the flue pipe's running. (2004) Train XP10 central air conditioners with the Climate Tough reciprocating compressor. And all the paint on the train logos is worn off. It's got GE fan motors. There's the gas meter. Yep. Up, the compressor kicked on this unit. It's hot. All right, out.